Is there a shortcut, or is there just a very easy way to get out? We see a lot of videos, and our attention span is screwed. But there is hope. I couldn't figure out a way to get out of the 9-to-5 struggle, deal with my colleagues, and try to earn a lot of money. You can believe me or not, and you should never compare yourself with others, but there are a lot of people in this world who earn 100 to 200k per month, and that is not even a lot. And we are here from morning to the evening and earn just enough to survive until your salary comes back. And this is not life. We don't have the time freedom. I wouldn't say our life is very bad. If you look at other countries, we should be happy about the things that we have. But what if you are living your life and still don't see your mission on this world? You need something which you are passionate about and love to do. There's no chance you burn out or got bored over time. But finding the passion is one way. Getting out of the 9-to-5 is the other. And it's hard. The truth is, there's nobody who will save you. The only person who decides if you get successful or not is yourself. You will always have people, especially if you are successful or doing something really good and right. There are people who want to drain you down. They are jealous and not happy about your success. And I'm currently living that. I have colleagues which are not even saying hello or goodbye. And I don't want a hug or congratulations. The only thing that I want is a good behavior. I don't know how their parents raised them, but as well, it is cultural. And I don't think there's anything wrong about saying hello or goodbye. You don't have to be my friend, and there's no chance everyone will like you. Sometimes it's just the way you look, the way you breathe, or whatever, and people don't like you. And the hardest part is if you are not able to avoid it. If it is your boss, a good friend, your neighbor, or a colleague. Overall, you shouldn't take life so serious, because we have just a limited time. You should live it to the fullest and enjoy every moment. Time will fly by, and one day you are not healthy anymore and regret things. And I can tell you one more thing. If you have currently a lot of problems, you just need to get sick. If you are sick, the only thing that you want is to be healthy. And after that, you should realize health is the only thing that matters. It's more important than any money, because the money reason at all, and this is an investing channel, but the money, which all the other people are telling you about, is the biggest scam and the biggest lie. For sure, I invest as well, but if you are not earning a lot of money and invest small amounts, it will take a really long time. So that means you are depending on your job, still need to go to work, maybe raise a family and have people who are depending on your income, so you don't have a chance to get out. And one day you just get used to it. There's no other way. You go to work because you have to. You don't like your job. You don't change the world. The only thing that you are doing is function. And I don't know about you, but maybe Bitcoin is a chance and crypto as well. But the only things that I'm doing currently, maybe you are in the same situation, is investing into stocks and ETFs and as well in the crypto market. I don't see real estate as a great chance, especially it's depending on where you live. Because if everything is expensive, you will stuck again inside of a mousetrap. You have to pay your debt. And I worked in construction, and I can tell you, there will be things to repair, and that are really huge costs. You can just buy a new house and build it from scratch, but over time things will break down and you have to repair and fix things. And these are the things which people are not telling you. So for me, the most interesting part in this world currently are stocks and ETFs. And the barrier to enter is very small. You don't need a lot. And I want to be able to work from everywhere in the world and go if I want to. I don't need a place where I have to look for. Life is already hard enough. Let's see if everything that we are doing will be a good sign. Let's see if our own future self is looking back to us right now and tells us we are on the right track or we need more help. If you have good habits and compound small habits over time, it will be pretty huge. Remember that, and don't forget to take a break, go on vacation and live as well in the moment. Time flies. You will regret even more the things that you didn't did in comparison to the things you did. We need to do mistakes to grow, develop ourselves, and be able to live the life that we always wanted. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.